I just finished this wonderful vintage Karl Griesbaum singing Birdcage. Let's hear it play. It's already fully wound. Start off on the pause. You can see the pause feature works as it should. Move to continuous right after one more. So I went through everything, cleaned and lubricated the mechanical movement, went through the bellows, the bird, and this bird automates as it should. You notice the beak and tail flap vibrantly, the head turns, the song is strong and hits all of the proper oscillating notes. Overall, very nice vintage condition. Cage flooring's original. All the bird feathers are original. Even the foliage, the berries, and the black forest mushroom are also all original. Let me turn this off for a second. I did have to restore the berries, the mushroom, and the foliage, but this cage was in such nice condition. I always try to preserve the original integrity when I can. The same holds true for the bird feathers, and the feathers really cleaned up nicely. It takes a lot of time to clean all of the feathers and remove all the years of dust and dirt rather than just simply refeather the bird. And I think it turned out really nice. Take care.